Hello children, I welcome all of you in today's English session. Here you can see a book in my hand. So keep your pointer finger on the words. English, Bal Bharti, Standard 2. English, Bal Bharti, Standard 2. Children, this is your English textbook. This is your English textbook. Now, let's see what's there inside. Children, this is your index page. This is your index page. These are the contents that we are going to study in this year. You can see here Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3 and Unit 4. And these are the contents under every unit. So, we are going to start with new topic, that is 1.1 bridge, and here at the bottom you can see a number in blue color, sir. So this is your page number. We are on page number 1.1 bridge, and today we are going to study this poem. So children, this is your poem, and the name of this poem is Bridge. Now keep your pointer finger on the words and let's start. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. But the bow that reaches heaven and overtops the trees. But the bow that breaches heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. And builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. So children, this is our poem Bridge. We have read the poem Bridge. From this poem, we learn how pretty clouds and rainbows are. The poet, that is Christina Rossetti. This poem is written by Christina Rossetti. Talks about boats, ships, clouds and bridges, but thinks that the rainbow is the prettiest. But she thinks that the rainbow is the prettiest bridge. In this poem, we have also seen few new words. So, on the first line, you can see last word rivers. R-I-V-E-R-S. Rivers. R-I-V-E-R-S. Rivers. Next, B on the first line, first word B-O-A-T-S. Boats. Second line S-H-I-P-S. Ships. S-E-A-S. Seas. Second line. Then on third line, clouds, clouds. across, across. sky, sky. Fourth line, prettier, prettier. Fifth line, bridges, bridges. Sixth line, please, please. Seventh line, heaven, heaven. Eighth line, overtops, overtops. Ninth line, builds, builds. earth, earth. So children, these are the words new in this poem. So you will read this poem 3 times at home and learn it. Thank you. Bye.